So what are aldehydes and what are ketones? Beta, these are also homologous series, okay, just like alkenes. In aldehydes, beta, the functional group is COH, okay. In carboxylic acid, it was COOH. But in aldehydes, beta, the functional group is COH, which is attached with the alkyl group. Ketones, the functional group is C double bonded with O, and on both sides it is attached with alkyl. Okay, and aldehydes and ketones are quite similar, so we are doing them together. Okay, so first let's look at aldehydes. So here I have drawn beta the second aldehyde, which is known as ethanol. Now one more thing that I want to tell you, for aldehydes beta we use the suffix al, al. For aldehydes we are using the suffix al, and for ketones we are using the suffix one, one. Okay, so when you are naming aldehydes you will be using the suffix al, and when you are naming ketones you will be using the suffix one, on. Okay, now look at the first example of the aldehyde. Here I can see beta 2 carbon. Okay, so the longest possible chain will be this. Now we have to name it, so it will be simply 2. What is the root name of the chain which contains 2 carbon? That is it. Okay, and because beta this is aldehyde, I will be using suffix al, so it will become ethan and then al. Okay, so it will become ethanol. Okay, look at the second example. First of all beta, look at the chain, the longest possible chain. So beta, one longest possible chain can be this, and one longest possible chain can be this. So if I consider this one or if I consider this one, from both the chains I'm getting beta 4 carbons. See here, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. If the functional group was not present here, then you could have chosen this chain or this chain, because they are containing the same carbons. But beta, what I told you, that when functional group is present, you will always be considering the chain that will be including the functional group. So beta, although the number of carbon are same in both the options, but the thing is this option is not containing the functional group, so I will not choose this as the main chain. I will be choosing this as the chain because it is containing the functional group. Because beta, this chain is basically considering the carbon of the functional group, so that is why I will be considering this one. Now what will be the name? So we have recognized the longest chain. Now naming. So beta, naming will be from where the functional group is near. So from here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it will become, okay, first write the name of the main chain, 1 2 3 4. What will be the root name? For 4 it is but, and because beta it is an aldehyde, because I can see OH is attached, so I will name it as butanol. If you see beta, a branch is also attached, and beta it is attached on second carbon and the branch is methyl. Okay, I told you CH3 is methyl. When you remove hydrogen from methane, it becomes methyl alkyl, right? So here, so it will become beta 2-methyl butanol. 2-methyl butanol.